The JOFIOS 48-inch ceiling fan in black is a stylish addition to any room with its sleek design and quiet operation. Equipped with an integrated LED light, it provides ample illumination equivalent to a 27-watt bulb and offers adjustable brightness and color temperature settings. This ceiling fan offers 6-speed options and a natural wind mode, ensuring optimal comfort throughout the year. The fan's reversible motor supports both summer and winter use, improving energy efficiency and complementing air conditioning systems. With 3 convenient control methods, including a remote, app, and wall switch, operating the fan is incredibly user-friendly. JOFIOS backs this product with a 2-year consultation service, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction.